You're sitting at your desk and staring at your laptop, but your eyes are half open and your brain is exhausted. There is a pile of tasks waiting, but you are drained, unmotivated. You have been shaking your leg so much. It's actually starting to hurt. And suddenly it hits you. Oh no, the online meeting totally slipped your mind. And at the exact moment your phone rings. It's one of your colleagues with a voice that clearly sounds disappointed. He reminds you that you were supposed to send him a file yesterday. No, his whole task is stuck, waiting on you. A strange feeling rushes in. Helplessness. Like 24 hours just isn't enough. No matter what you do, nothing seems to go right. Unfinished work is piling up all around you. You are frozen, trapped, tired of yourself. Sound familiar, huh? Actually, it does to a lot of us. But what's the real problem? Is it laziness or procrastination? Not exactly. What's missing here is a really important skill. One that without it, everything else falls apart. Time management and organization skill. If you want to break out of this never-ending cycle of stress and burnout, if you crave a calm mind and a controlled environment, then stick with me till the end of this video. Hey friends, welcome to XGen Academy. You have made it to the fourth stop on our playlist of Essential Soft Skills. And today we are diving into one of the most life-saving skills you can learn. Time management and organization. So here's what we'll cover. Why time management matters. The difference between time management and organization. Practical time management techniques. How to organize your space and your mind. Common mistakes and how to fix them. And finally, a quick recap. Let's go. Why is time management even important? Here's the truth. We can't add more hours to a day, but we can change how we use them. Time management means making the most out of the same 24 hours we all get, with joy, clarity, and purpose. Being smart or working hard means nothing if you can't manage your time. In fact, a lot of people fall behind, not because they lack effort or talent, but because they don't know how to take control of their time. But what's the difference between time management and organization? Time management is about prioritizing your tasks and allocate time wisely to them. But organization, on the other hand, is about order, both physical and mental. It's about a tidy desk, clear mind, well-labeled files, and even a structured to-do list. And let's be honest, if your space or your mind is a mess, your time management will suffer. They are deeply connected. So what can we actually do? What are time management techniques that work? Here are a few of the most effective battle-tested methods. The 80-20 rule, Pareto principle. It said 80% of your results come from 20% of your effort. So figure out which 20% of your tasks actually matter. Stick with them and focus your energy there. The next one is the Pomodoro technique. This technique said work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break, say an hour. This structure keeps your energy and focus sharp. The next usable technique is daily planning. This technique is very simple but useful. Every night before bed, jot down your tasks for the next day. I use it a lot. Actually, for the next day, you will have a prioritized to-do list. A simple piece of paper can be your compass. Wake up knowing exactly what you do and why. And the last technique is learn to say no. If something is not essential, just say no. Clear the clutter so your time has a space for the important stuff. It's that simple. Just need to practice it every day. Organizing your space and your mind. But how? Clear your desk. It's simple. Just remove anything you don't need. Keep only what's necessary and make sure everything has its place. Tidy your files. Think about how much time and energy you waste to finding a document, whether it's paper or digital files. Organize them. If it's physical, use folders, binders. If it's digital, build a folder system that actually makes sense. Empty your mind with the help of meditation. If your mental health matters to you, set aside a short daily slot for mindfulness. And writing also helps. Dumps your thoughts onto paper. In fact, keeping all your tasks and things in your head burning a lot of fuel, a lot of mental fuel. You're always worried you'll forget something, and actually most of the time you do. The last solution is build routines on your morning and nights, and all day builds itself. In fact, your morning routine can be simple. A quick shower, a light breakfast, and some energizing music, for example, can be so helpful. What matters is starting your day with control. Now let's talk about some common mistakes and how to avoid them. The first common mistake is over-planning and under-executing. How to avoid them? Create a plan that's realistic and doable, not dreamy or impossible. Keep it grounded in your actual time and capacity. The next one is trying to multitask. The solution is design your schedule so you can finish one task at a time. You want peace of mind? Then focus on one thing, one moment at a time. The next common mistake is forgetting the rest. Actually, you forget you can't go full throttle all day. You need time to recharge. Remember the Pomodoro technique? Use it. We also have a cliche phrase that is of course very true, that said, life and work are marathons, not sprints. Don't forget that. And as always, use these top resources to better understand. If you only take one thing away from this video, let it be this. Time management is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. All you need to do is start, step by step, today. Because the future you want begins with how you treat your time today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell icon. And don't forget, share this video with your friends that you think they need it. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. And also drop your thoughts in the comments. Until the next video, respect your time every single day.